Providing internet connectivity nationwide is paramount for people to feel connected and access vital services. Openreach is committed to delivering full fibre connectivity to millions across the UK by developing new ways to bring better broadband to rural, remote areas. We visited Wigan to see how their digital connectivity is making a difference.
The hamlet near Wigan is now a happy, thriving place where young people with special needs aged 18 to 25 come to learn and develop life skills. But just 3 years ago, the lack of reliable broadband due to its rural location was a huge barrier to the students' education.
When we moved onto site, we had so many ideas to give our young people the skills that they'd need for their future, but we had a really old copper internet line which wasn't fit for purpose. It was causing a lot of frustration for some of our young people with learning difficulties.
However, when the hamlet's provision lead contacted Openreach, the UK's largest wholesale broadband network provider, she discovered they're in the middle of a £15 billion investment to upgrade the UK.
It was absolutely heartwarming what a brilliant company they've been, and now our IT is absolutely fantastic and our trainees are not frustrated anymore. They're making lots of amazing things in the printing and we can take card payments in the cafe now, which is fabulous.
When Openreach's team of skilled engineers arrived on site, they sprang into action, using their expertise in remote and rural areas to restore connectivity and install full fibre broadband.
The main barrier here was overcoming the copper cable being buried. There is no sort of easy way of dealing with that. We created an overhead route, but we've done the design and work here specifically so that we could help Gemma and the hamlet as they expand and start building out new buildings.
This is an example of the kind of rural area to which Openreach is providing essential infrastructure, using the latest technology to overcome challenges, to enable faster and more reliable internet services for millions.
What we're doing at Openreach is to make sure that we're building the infrastructure for the future, not just for the next 5 years, but it delivers the connectivity we need to work and to enjoy our lives for the next 20, 40 years, even 100 years to come. We're doing what's called a balanced build. That means we're building in the commercial areas like the city centres of the UK, but also those super rural places like Wigan, where you are today, that naturally wouldn't normally get connectivity. And we think it's really important because everyone needs to be connected and it changes the ability to work and live in those communities.
For Openreach, job satisfaction is not only about the individual's happiness, but national productivity too.
Full fibre benefits giving someone what is really a limitless capability in terms of bandwidth. It will go as fast as the electronics you want to put on the end of it. That changes people's lives dramatically, and to see that and see communities start their own businesses and to see people educating their children, educating themselves remotely because they can do that, working remotely, and being able to do all the things that you could do and we take for granted in towns and cities. That's immensely satisfying.
Openreach is proud of the fact that its full fibre build programme is the most successful big infrastructure project in the UK. And according to the Centre for Economics and Business Research, will provide vital access to public services while growing the economy.
Having access to ultra-fast connectivity will boost the productivity of the country by over £70 billion, and that's a phenomenal boost that the country needs.
For Gemma and her students, the whole process has been transformative.
I can't thank Openreach enough for the difference it's made to our young people in giving our young people the opportunity to access the internet and be able to learn life skills through the internet.
It's fantastic from the internet. The internet is going great.
As the hamlet thrives, Openreach will continue its mission across the UK to bring full fibre connectivity to remote and rural areas,